What to do after an accident involving multiple vehicles? Well, the first thing, safety first. If you can, move the vehicles and yourself to a safe location so you're not in the middle of the road, and that way you avoid any further collisions. Number two, call 911, get checked out, get the people around you checked out if there are injuries. If the police come, they're going to document the scene, they're going to get information from people. It's all going to be helpful information to have later. Number three, on your own, document the scene. Take pictures of the vehicles, the license plates. It's a good idea to get information of all the people in the accident, not just the person that might have run into you. So, as usual, take a picture of the license, registration, insurance, license plate, vehicle damage, and determining fault in a multi-vehicle accident sometimes can be somewhat complicated. So even if you think it was a rear end collision and the person behind you ran into you, we'll get their information, but also get the information of the people behind that person. And obviously, if it's not just rear end collisions, but other sorts of collisions, get everybody's information, because at some point, you're going to need all of that in order to determine fault. And like I said before, sometimes fault is a little difficult to determine in these situations if the police don't do it, and the injuries are severe. Sometimes attorneys will hire experts and they'll do an accident reconstruction to determine exactly how this happened and who's really at fault or who may be sharing fault. That's why it's important to have the information of everybody that participated in the accident so they can be contacted should the need arise later. Now, like I said, in multi-vehicle accidents, it's a little bit complex determining fault. Also, Nevada is called a modified comparative fault state, which means that you can still make a claim for damages as long as you're not more than 50% at fault. So if you or someone you know has been involved in a multi-vehicle accident in Southern Nevada and you're trying to figure out the situation, please feel free to give me a call or drop me an email.